No matter how you weld your seams, butt, lap, or even glue, it's important to the longevity of the repair that it's below or even well below the surface before filling. You really do not want a seam right under your paintwork. There's just too many factors and too many things that can go wrong with that seam to not have a good buffer such as body filler between it and the paint. So today we're going to take a close look at exactly how to prepare your patch for filler, primer, and paint so that it'll stand up to daily driving in all weather conditions. The first thing we're going to do is lightly grind the welds. There's no sense in grinding away the strongest part of the welds. It's a waste of time and materials. And that's good enough. Here's a close-up shot of what that looks like. We still have nice solid welds all along the seam, and we didn't grind away the edge, thinning this metal. To finish cleaning up the seam, you can use a wire brush on a drill. Or you can use a speed blaster. The next step is to use a body hammer like this and knock down the seam. Now you really don't have to worry about messing this up. If you go a little bit too far, that's not a problem. You'll get it with the filler. If you don't go far enough, when you're blocking your filler, you'll come across a high spot, a shiny metal spot, and you can just tap that down and reapply the filler. So let's give it a try. We're just going to whack it lightly at first and see how it goes. And that's about how hard you'll hit it. Just like that. And you're just putting little dings all along here. Just little ding, 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 ding all along. And I'm trying to hit it right there. And if it gets if it's bouncing a little bit too much, you can use a dolly like this to firm it up. And if you're in doubt, you can use a little straight edge like that and go along and check it. See, go right along there and check it and make sure that you're below the surface. Here's an up-close shot using a straight edge so you can see exactly how far that seam has been knocked down. And I'm not sure if you can see the gap right in there, but it's not that much. At this point, it's properly prepared. We can go ahead and apply the filler and finish the job. While sanding in the filler, if you do notice a little high spot like this, you can just knock that down and recoat. After finishing the filler with 80 grit, DA sanding with 120, and scuffing any shiny paint, we're ready for primer. I hope you enjoyed this video on knocking down your seams and filling. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.